Hi guys, this video title is Backyard Depth Design Budget. Design our backyard depth on a budget can be an explode and reward project with careful plan and creating. You can create a functionally and a static place outdoor space without break the bank. Here are some key idea type and considering to make the most of your budget covered on choose effect material, some design and technology. Set a budget and plan careful. Start by create define your budget for a depth project on a budget. Every dollar collect. So plan well help unexplored choice break down the budget into canvas such as material, tool, and post load cost. Set goal with gas divide about side design and material. Select type. Consider wood with a lobe or hardwork stone that's often our budget. Other some stone often perfect on how to best appear a project which can help you save time and money. Choose the right depth material. The choice of material will great impact the overall choice and longing to the depth. Here are a few other sub for budget considering design. Wood. This is one of the most budget friendly material for depth. Labeling is resisting to root, which explained if life skirt with care and set its can last for a year. Redwood. Well, most emphasize that trendwood and redwood natural other that do request us mean trimmers then are also resisting to dew and often a most natural look. Reclaim wood or palette. If you open to an explore size look, reclaim wood or palette can be used to create a rustic and or bamboo main style design. If a quick of the collect choose load as business if then have palette or wood affordable for free. Other for maximizes depth light for can transforming your depth into a cozy retreat but high end light fixable can be cost. Choose budget light solar power lights. Solar powered lights do request farm and can be found as resisting price theme area that request or soft embrace like LED sticky lights and affordable and can be placed under resisting or ML that edge for a modern look. Incorporating ring and set optional. Range and set can be significant cost to your depth, but those are a way to keep those ad budget friendly branch set, incorporating a purpose set outdoor furniture build branch set on top to the depth. Branch can serve as both set and the natural look. Save you can furniture cost. Simple wood range. Institute of other for a pan range use tranquil wood for a simple traditional look. Add personal touch to make the depth feel unique. Consider add low cost access that add chaptering and functional. Outdoor range. An outdoor range is an affordable a way to add color and textile to the depth. Range can also help define area for add privacy. Plants box. Build a buy plants box for a pop of gardening. Then can be plants around the edge, often also for add privacy. Shift. If you can make shape, consider install a simple pergola. A use of shape salt that can be installed affordable and adds a shape touch which make the depth more comfortable in host weather. Main entrance type of longing. Main entrance is choose for keep your depth long, great and textile and explore its live well cost or impact. Consider main entrance as well. Power wash. Air power wash will help remove depth